So I just installed an AFE 8-inch by 24-inch muffler in conjunction with a Diamond Eye muffler that's already on there and a vibrant resonator. There's also a 6-inch by 16 Dynamax that I put back here behind, like say the leaf spring and the spare tire. I just installed that AFE muffler, so now I'm going to start it after it's been sitting here a while. Alright, so this is the AFE muffler, 8-inch. It's got the 24-inch Diamond Eye in front of it, the vibrant there, the custom merge with V-bands. These are stainless works Raptor pipes, 3-inch catless that I installed previously. And if this isn't quiet enough for me, I'm going to end up putting in the 5-inch by 10-inch case Borla right in this area. I'm going to have to move the O2 sensor, the secondary, up there and put the V-band back here. This side's pretty wide open. I'll just have to move the O2 sensor again closer up there. I got extensions that came with the stainless works pipes, but this actually worked out with the O2 simulators that I got from Blocks. And this is the Diamond Eye 7-inch round that I took off, which was here, but now the AFE's there. Thanks for watching.